Welcome back. In the last video, Sally learned about the concept of quick-base relationships and how they can save her team time, reduce data entry errors, and summarize key information. In this video, you'll actually create a relationship. This video starts where the last one left off. To build this app yourself, get the starter app as explained in video 2, Getting an App from Exchange. Then complete the previous tutorials in order. If you prefer to simply learn concepts, just sit back and watch and then go experiment on your own. You may remember that Sally's app has a customers table and a contacts table. Sally wants to give her team a handy drop-down list to select the customer's name when adding a new contact, and have a customer's address and phone number automatically fill in when their name is selected from the list. Sally also wants to see a list of contacts when she pulls up a customer and see the total number of contacts for that customer. Sally knows she'll need to link her customers and contacts tables, so she takes out the map she sketched of her app. It shows the two relationships already in her app. Sally draws a new relationship between her customers and contacts tables. She makes sure to show the direction of this new relationship. Now Sally's ready to create the customers to contacts relationship. To do this, click the customers icon in the table bar, and then click Settings. Select Table-to-Table Relationships, and click New Relationship. Select the contacts table from the drop-down list and click Next. Now, choose how the tables relate to each other. The sentences are your clues. In this case, each customer may have many contacts, so select that option. Click Next. This makes the customers table the master table. QuickBase automatically adds an Add Contact button to the customers form and displays a report of contacts. The contacts table is the details table. QuickBase automatically creates a lookup field for the customer name. This creates a drop-down so Sally's team can pick the customer name when adding a new contact. Sally also wants to bring in each customer's address and phone number when the customer name is selected. Next to Lookup field, select Address from the drop-down list. Underneath that, select Main Phone. The relationship is the only place you can add lookup fields. To add more lookup fields later, come back here. Now click Create. You'll see your customer to contacts relationship along with the two relationships already in this app. Nice work! You've created a relationship and two new lookup fields. Now when Sally's team adds a new contact, they can select the customer name from a list and the customer's address and phone number automatically fills in. And when Sally views a customer, she can easily add a new contact and view a list of contacts. But Sally's not done yet. She also wants to see the total number of contacts in her customers table so she can see how her business is growing. To do this, add a summary field. Click the Customers to Contacts relationship, and then click the Add Summary field button. The number of contacts related to that customer is already selected, so click Create. Click OK to accept the default field name, Number of Contacts. Then click Done and click Exit Settings. This brings you back to the Customers table, where you can see your new summary field, Number of Contacts. Now when Sally views a customer, she can also see the total number of contacts for that customer. She can even view a map of the relationships in her app by clicking Settings, App Management, and then clicking Show Relationship Diagram. Great job! Sally's new relationship is helping her team be more efficient, informed, and productive so her business can keep growing. Next up, creating reports and charts so the information Sally needs is at her fingertips. Join us for the next video, Creating Reports and Charts.